Goals don't get accomplished as much as promised. Still from the heart, like when your mom's missing. Big dreams as kids being established, but all of these gadgets got us distracted. Life's intensities got the homeless living in tent cities. It's original intent with the sick witties. This isn't how life is meant to be. Truth nasty, spitting slang from amphibians. I'm trying to see the whole world. Prime meridian, I gotta relate to every kind of citizen. Always standing out no matter the situation they sit in. This has been the experience, those be up your experience. Taking notes on the areas, trying to evoke the serious. Curious to have your brain surround with a strange cloud. Pressing another is what the devils be thinking about. Lumin Star Wars, soldiers changing routes. Missions to go and bomb a stranger's house. Anger amount, traded for lies we can't count. It still ain't found a solution yet. Still feeling using just for whoever you suspect to be the newest threat. True request, cause truth is just a harsh discussion. Plenty play they part and busting until they start busting. It'll have your heart pumping way too fast. That'll age your ass with weight they add. Fountains of youth found inside of babies. Laugh many ladies asking for men's attentions. Raised by dads that foretold the bullshitters on a mission. Other past and my ex other halves have caused me to have some suspicion. Listen, it's more watching NBAs than getting NBAs. And I simply pray our kids find a different way. Cause goals don't get accomplished as much as promised. Steal from the heart, like when your mom's missing. Big dreams as kids being established. All of these gadgets got us distracted. Life's intensities got the homeless living in tent cities. This isn't how life is meant to be. It's more at stake than Florida State. A student wants to stand the ground, plunk chemistry and instantly gotta pull her skirt down, and they don't search clowns in certain positions. Serving petitions in nervous conditions. But the purpose and vision, this worthless wishing something surface sufficient, but several services didn't mention that I had some service missing. Per prescription, I heard Egyptian pharaohs came from not pharaohs and made of wear toes where we spared goals. Not incarcerated until we reincarnated in the rare souls. Futures where politicians only care polls, all prepared polls, secret meetings where the mayor goes. Niggas, we can fair foes, we can wear those. Robin Hood's no arrows, immediately get arrows. Out of communities comes unity, shared pros, care foes, eyes beyond sparrows, and I swear it goes. That's the one. Come on, you want to just get some? With this, you're right, I'm about to put my shoes in the car. We can do that and get in the ocean for a second. Nah, I mean, at least let my feet get wet.